To better understand our world, ourselves, and our future, this program is made possible by the people of Chevron. Chevron, giving thought to television.
They're independent, they're affectionate.
We hope you have enjoyed this presentation from the National Geographic Video Library.
Between 1968 and 1972, 24 men left the Earth and journeyed to the moon. This is the film they brought back, and these are their words.
Stand by for touchdown. This is going to be spectacular.
I felt at home there, even though the Earth was a long ways away.
Look at the size of that rock. Good deal, boy.
There is new knowledge to be gained and new rights to be won for the progress of all mankind.
Join National Geographic for a wondrous journey into the unknown.
Man must explore.
For all mankind. In the heart of our urban jungle lives a creature. He may look different from us, but more and more we discover startling similarities.
I think she will remember me.
Susie! Come here, Suze!
Come on. Yeah, she looked like this.
Some of them live among friends.
We think that they think we're honorary gorillas.
While others are prisoners to outdated ideas about the savage beast.
Willie lived 27 years in isolation and indoors.
With Ivan, I try to do anything that breaks up the routine of his day.
But as the gorilla's own habitat shrinks,
we have to simulate not just the way these environments look, but the way these environments actually function.
We must create a place in our hearts, minds, and cities for our fellow primates.
One thing you really learn about gorillas is what gentle, noble beasts they are.
National Geographic takes you into the world of the urban gorilla.